someone who never gives up, despite the different shades of turmoil life throws at it. And that is the purest definition of who? Patsy. It's been a long roller coaster ride, from Easter performance to the last performance, which was an inspirational performance. Well, guess what? It's the grand finale, and yay! We've made it there. I know most of my other competitors would be like, well, they have all the potentials and everything, but as they say, empty barrels make the most noise. My profound gratitude goes to the Takoradi Technical University people, the people of Efie Kuma who have been supporting me day in and day out. Your prayers and most appreciating love is well heart welcome, and that is what has kept me going, and I'm still here. Notwithstanding my lovely family in Accra, who have been supporting me, those in Takoradi as well, and not forgetting my dad and aunties who live in Germany. Ich liebe euch alle so sehr und vielen Dank für alle, das ihr für mich tun. Please keep on voting for me by dialing to the short code *800*567# and my nominee number is 15. Well, guess what? They say Efie Kuma, the only thing we can win is Miss Cattle. Guess what? We are taking it again, and guess what? We are also winning the car because Efie Kuma, you are Zoe Ampa. If you are a typical Efie Kumanian, Maminti, or remove.